Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WGAS, and we will take a look at the daily time frame. If you follow the videos, you've seen us do this one before, and the last time I did one was actually back on this day here. You can look at that video. If you're on YouTube, just go back and look through the archives. If you're on our blog, then I'll include that link within the post. But you can see that from the last time I did it, literally 1 week ago today on Friday, it was a capitulation alert, and sure enough, it capitulated, and then today absolutely exploded. So one of these where I wish I could say that this happened weekly and that these stocks were easy to find, but one of these where up over 300% on the day, closed almost at the high of the day. So it was one of these where if you could just score a few of these a year, you'd be doing pretty well off for yourself. So anyways, let's get on to analyzing the chart now, because obviously it's changed quite a bit since the last time I did the video back here. So what I want to do is just map out some support levels, and then we'll talk about some resistances. That way everybody has an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. So the big support that was established today was right here, revolving around this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. This was a crucial level of resistance, and the bulls did a great job of not only breaking through it, but closed quite a bit of ways above it, so that was a good sign. And then on top of that, there was also this previous high over here at 27 cents. And the reason I'm talking about both these at the same time is they're basically, although not exactly, they're pretty darn close to being the same value. So right now the 50 days valued at 0.025, and these previous highs are at 0.027. So maybe we'll just split the difference and say the first level of support is going to be at 0.026. So right around these levels of support. The next level of support is going to be based off of these lows down here. You can see back in December and January, quite a few times the price bounced off this level, and then when the price did drop below it here, you can see support turning into resistance. So we'll call this level down here at 0.0165. So 0.0165 will be the next level of support. And then after that, you have your two short-term moving averages down here, both the 20-day and 10-day simple moving averages. So those would be your next levels of support. Ideally, you'd like to see this level hold, but if it doesn't, not the end of the world or anything like that, because you still do have all these other support levels below you. So that's what's great about a massive upwards day like this. It turns all these resistances into support. So I literally went from having all these resistances above it to now having all these supports below it. So that's a nice strong move. In terms of resistance levels, the current one that it's working on didn't quite hit it today, but if you look back here, you can see these previous highs are right at 0.035. So 0.035 is the current level of resistance that the price is going to need to work on getting through. I'm not going to go any further than that. If you can get some closes up above here, I'm sure I'll be back to update the chart, and then we can talk about those future resistances at that point in time. But overall, congratulations everybody. What a great move. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you liked the video and want to learn more about technical analysis and charting, I'd encourage you to click on that image below. It'll take you to our 8.5-hour video course that'll teach you how to use charts and technical analysis to pull profits from the market. It's been getting good reviews, so don't take our word for it. Just check it out and read the third-party testimonials. One more time, this was WGAS. Thanks for listening, and have a good weekend.